What's up, everybody? To the first video on the channel. Yep. You guys are OGs, all of you. And we got my cousin with us.
Bum-ba-dee-dum-ba-dee-dum. Ah-la-la-la-la-la-la. Chicken.
During the school times, we'll
Goodbye.
be like posting every like Saturday. Cause yeah, we have school.
I'm back.
School sucks.
Goodbye, everyone. Hey, you don't see me.
Alright, anyways, we're gonna be going down to the caves and go you wanna say it?
Sure. And we're gonna be showing you how to get a bunch of goop with
Really
nothing
fast.
but a backpack.
But we're gonna use backpacks.
All we're gonna use is a backpack. That's all you need. All you need is a backpack to finish the goop thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this grappler up. And we're
Also,
gonna show you how to
like-
choke the ugly guys to death. Right?
I'm also gonna bring a bat.
No. Stick.
Oh yeah, right. Hold on.
Okay, fine. But don't use a
Get in there, sewing machine.
use a flashlight, Daniel.
Alright.
Should we do it with the starter kit? I'm gonna do it with the starter kit, bro.
Okay. You know the lava tunnel?
Yeah.
You can just skip that. I'll show you. So yeah, we're gonna skip the lava tunnel because it takes too
How do you
long
skip it?
and it's boring.
Chad, you don't really skip the lava thing.
Dude, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Where am I?
You gotta just stick to the rope and then pull it.
Alright, I got it.
Can you help me, please? I'm dying.
I got him.
Thank you. I lived.
Alright, so whenever they get onto you, just like go to one of the exits. Like this, or the other exit. So yeah, you'll have to deal with annoying guys. Ooh, shield.
Dude, this is so easy to get past.
Hold on. I found, ooh.
What? What'd you get?
I'm gonna take the MRE.
I get a crossbow.
Alright,
Dude,
ready?
all I need is a weapon. Can I have a weapon?
Hold on. I got him.
Give me a stick.
Bring him on. Yeah, beat him up. Come on, we're safe.
Okay.
We're safe.
I'm already at the goop.
What? You're already at the goop area? Oh, what? Since when?
And I'm a really...
I'm gonna collect some.
Right.
Alright. So just collect a bunch of these. We have the bag full, 23. So. It really helps.
I'm heading to the Gloop Monster.
Alright. I wonder if he's going the long way. However, I'm gonna show you the quick way. Not yet. Alright. So just go. I'll show you how to get through.
I already made a few ones.
Did you go through the shortcut?
I just went through the area. Oh yeah, also that's why after your backpack gets full, just stick it to your right.
Oh yeah.
Like just stick the gun to your backpack.
Where's my
You have to
backpack?
eat 5 to make him throw up. 5 makes him throw up.
I have no idea where my backpack went. Oh wow. I think it went
There we go.
down here. Oh, yep.
Let's speed look up one. I'll be the goop collector. I'll collect some.
Alright. More good.
Here's a view. There's
No! And my backpack. My backpack. No.
Yo, brother, do you see my flashlight?
Alright. It's really easy going that short way.
Alright, I think we're ready. I think we're ready to go.
Yeah, we got a lot.
Alright, let's go.
Plus, we have a couple bags full. So, anyways, shortcut is right here. Just go down there.
Let's go, bunch of people.
Alright. One thing I've made with this new goop stuff, it's the Mega Grappler.
I believe that the new goop is like the biggest thing right now. The goop is like the biggest thing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you see all the goop I collected?
The Mega Grappler. Oh
Did
yeah,
you see all this
that's a
goop?
lot.
A bunch. Yeah, see, I told you I'm a goat at this. Hey, would you give me a grappler?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, that.
How many grapplers?
Just
You're gonna
one.
have two. If you suck at aiming with grapplers, this helps. It's a little too much, but it works. anything? Oh yeah. He's gonna show you guys a really cool thing you guys can make from mine. Yeah.
Grapple. Where's my
Take this
I'm
one.
gonna take this.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, hit him with the Spider-Man.
Boom, multi-tool.
Alright.
This is the best multi-tool that you could possibly have for mining.
Yeah, it works really well.
Dude, you have the humongous grapple. Can I see that, please?
Hold on.
Let me
Yeah.
hold it.
Hold it from this one. Here, I got it. Hold it from this middle one.
Dude, I can go 50 places at once, chat.
Bro.
Bro,
So
I
yeah,
can go
if you
50
stuck at
places
aiming
once.
with grapplers, that's perfect for you.
And, oh, hold on, Daniel, let's show them the laser aim. Let's show them laser aim.
Okay.
Daniel, we should show them laser aim.
Alright,
I'll get
so
the dupe.
if you want laser aim, well, I don't really use it for laser aim, but it works so well. So have a
Yeah.
revolver, put it on the gun,
Right there.
or that.
Yeah, you can put it there, or you can put it here. Explosives.
Then grab a what is this?
Bum, bum, bum.
Tripwire explosive. Hey.
Actually, don't want that.
You wanna go test it on a monster real quick? Then in the video?
Sure. Oh, no!
Oh.
My multi-tool!
Hold up, I got it. Going this way. I got your multi-tool.
Thank you, Daniel.
Yep. So yeah, it's kind of dangerous, if you ask me. The Sigma? Alright, I think there's something up, but come on,
Chat.
let's end the video.
Oh, dude, just despawn.
Dude.
Look at my face. The ultimate grappler.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, like and subscribe down below. And
The ultimate
comment what else you
grappler
want
is
us
the
to do.
only escape. Goodbye.
Bye.
That's what I